Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Anker PowerConf S3 MS and I'm going to show you how can you easily link this speaker with your Android app. At first we have to open our app. Now we have to click accept. Now we can log in, but we don't have to, we can skip this part. Now we have to click next, 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 down. Now we can add our device. Now we have to select our PowerConf S3 MS. Now we have to click connect. Now we have to click allow. And as you can see, we are now connected with our speaker. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.